Then class 1.
Beloved student, how I think you are well by the results of my chapter. In my previous class, I completed an exercise on synonym and antonym. Synonym and antonym. I think you understood the topic properly. That is why I am going to start a new grammatical topic named modifiers. And you know well that modifiers item will be given the serial number 9 in the HSC examinations. Okay, I think you will be able to understand the whole topic named modifiers attending on my class. Modifiers. Modifiers. Do you know the exact principal verb of modifier? Modify. M-O-D-I-F-Y. Modify is called the principal verb and modifiers is called the noun formation. Okay? And before starting our class, we will have to take a clear concept regarding the definition of modifiers. Okay? And modifiers means given extra information. What's the exact meaning of modifier? Modifiers means the given extra information about any particular type of words, okay, especially noun, adjective, verb, and so on. And there are two types of modifiers in English grammar. Okay, and, what types of modifiers? There are two types of modifiers. There are two types of modifiers. Okay, and first one is pre-modifiers and another is post-modifiers. Post-modifiers. Okay, and first we have to know the exact order of the modifiers here. Japan is a developed. Japan is a developed country. Okay. Here there is a specific complete sentence on the word Japan is a developed country. Here only one word has been given as extra information about country. And we know that a complete sentence has three parts. First one is subject, another is verb, and object here. That's why at the beginning of the sentence we have found the position of Japan has been considered as subject. Is has been applied here, the principal verb, and other is a developed country. Whenever you will exclude the position of developed, there is no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. Okay? Then Japan is a country. It is called a complete meaningful sentence. And if you indicate the extra information about noun, okay, then it will be the position of developed, developed. Okay, and if you try to exclude the position of developed, there will be no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. That is why developed has been considered the position of modifiers. Okay, and what types of modifiers? It is called the pre-modifiers. Why? Because in this sentence it gives the extra information before noun. Here noun has been given country. Okay, and country, what types of Japan? Japan is a developed country. That is why it has been called here the developed as the modifiers, especially the pre-modifiers. Okay, and we have learned the position of pre-modifiers, and I am giving to you another example of post-modifiers. Okay, the boy playing in the field is strong. The boy playing in the field is strong. Look at the whiteboard. I have written a complete sentence. Okay, the boy playing in the field is strong. Here, a complete sentence is the boy is strong. Here it is called the complete sentence, and we find that another portion here. What is that another portion here? The playing in the field. Okay, and it has been given after noun. Okay, or after subject. That is why when you will exclude this position, there will be no problem to indicate a complete sentence here. Why? Because the boy subject is verb strong, another object here. That is called the complete sentence. And the another information, playing in the field, has been added here, the part of modifiers. Okay, and what types of modifiers? It is also called the post modifiers. Why? Because it has been given just after noun formation or after subject. That is why it is called the post modifiers. Okay, and whenever you will find the extra information before noun, then it will be counted as the pre-modifiers. And whenever we will find the position of any extra information after noun or after any particular word, then it will be also counted here, the post modifiers. Okay, now I am going to discuss the classifications of pre-modifiers. Okay, write down pre-modifiers. There are some classifications of pre-modifiers. Number 1, adjective. Adjective as pre-modifier, the noun. Adjective as pre-modifier. If you find any particular type of word as adjective sitting before the noun, then it will be counted as the definition of adjective. Okay, and I am giving by the help of adjective as pre-modifier noun. As for example, it says that Bangladesh is a small Bangladesh is a small country. Here, Bangladesh subject is verb, a country object, and in this sentence there is a position of small. Small. What types of parts of this space? It is called adjective, and it has been applied here just before noun. What is the noun in this sentence? Country. That is why it has been added here adjective, and adjective has been applied before only the noun. That is why it is called the adjective as we modify the noun. And if you exclude the position of small, there is no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. That is why it is called the adjective as we modify the noun. Okay? I think you are clear to understand this topic, name adjective as we modify the noun. And I am going to discuss the rule 2. Rule 2 of pre-modifiers. Okay? And present participle. Present participle as pre-modifiers. And before starting our example, we have to know at first the exact definition of present participle. We know that there are 3 types of participles in English grammar. First one is present participle, number 2 is past participle, number 3 is perfect participle here. That is why you know that when your principal verb plus ing before the noun, then it will be counted as the present participle. And I am giving an example in this regard here. And if you find the principal verb plus noun, or before noun, if you find the position of principal verb plus ing, then it will be certainly applied here the position of present participle from. And I am giving an example. Write down on your note. Number 1. You should not get into a running car. Look at the whiteboard to understand this topic properly. I have written on whiteboard, you should not get into a running car. Of running, okay? Running. No interest to running car, okay? And there it has been applied here run plus ing, okay? That is called definition of. I'm giving another example here in this topic. Number 2. Perfect. I am giving an example of perfect participle. Perfect participle. Okay. Number 3 is perfect participle. And what is the exact definition of perfect participle? Perfect participle. No subject whenever we will find the position of heading, देखिए behind heading plus B3. If you find here the heading plus B3 before the noun, then it will be counted as the position of perfect participle. Okay, and I am giving the example about the position of perfect participle from heading done the job, comma I went outside the home. Here, having done, we know that the exact structure of perfect participle. Okay, perfect participle. And having plus having plus B3. It is called the position of perfect participle here. And it has been given the job has been applied here the noun formation. And before noun, we have found the position of perfect participle. Why? Because having plus B3. Having plus B3 is called the definition of perfect participle. And next word, noun adjective. Noun adjective as pre-modify the noun. Noun adjective. Do you know the exact definition of noun adjective? If you find two nouns in a particular sentence and if you exclude the previous noun, then there will be no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. Then it will be expressed the definition of noun adjective. Okay, and I am giving the definition of noun adjective, and now I am expressing an example to you. I bought a train. I bought a train ticket. Here, a complete sentence is I bought a ticket. I bought a ticket. And train here expressed. Train is the extra information before another noun. I bought a train ticket. And if you want to exclude the train, then complete sentence is I bought a ticket. I bought a ticket. Okay, so ticket, the bus ticket, train ticket, or plane ticket. Anyone may be given in this sentence here. It will only depend on the given passage in your question paper. And if you find here in a question paper about train, then train ticket will be applied. And if you find here any discussions regarding the plane journey, then it will be counted here the plane ticket. And if you find another bus journey, then it will be applied here the bus ticket. So okay, and that is why I bought a ticket. What types of ticket? A train ticket, bus ticket, plane ticket, anyone. And train is noun and ticket is also applied here as noun. That is why it is called the noun adjective. I'm giving another definition of pre-modifiers. Possessive. Possessive as possessive from as pre-modify the noun. Possess. Do you know the definition of possessive form? Possessive form. Possess means belong. Possess means belong. Okay. And write down the name of possessive form: his, her, their, our, your, my, its. Such types of words are called possessive. Such types of words are called the possessive form. Okay, possessive form. And his, her, their, our, your, my, it, mine. Such types of words will indicate person related. Okay, person related. But one thing, it will indicate inanimated substance here. Inanimated substance here. That is why I am giving an example to clear in this topic named possessive. Country is small. Okay, and here will be given an instruction to apply here. Use possessive. Use possessive from as pre-modify the noun. Okay, and pre-modify the noun. Use possessive from as pre-modify the noun. Here, country has been applied here as the noun, and we will have to apply here the correct possessive from before noun. I thought it is a noun, and if you find the complete passage in your question paper, the position of our, then our country is small, and if you find here that his, okay, about the passage regarding his, then his, her, their country, that it will only depend on the given passage, nothing else. Okay. How many techniques here? We have learned some classifications of pre-modifiers here. That I am repeating what items we have already learned with you. What modifiers? Modifiers means given extra information, and it may given before noun and after noun or particular word. Okay, and if you export the extra information before noun or after noun or any word, then there is no problem to indicate a meaningful sentence. That is the complete definition of modifiers. Okay, and there are two types of modifiers. There are two types of modifiers. Number one, pre-modifiers, and number two is post-modifiers. And pre-modifiers, if you find here the extra information before noun or particular word, then it will be counted as a pre-modifier. And if you find the extra information after noun or after particular word, then it will be also count here. Here the position of those modifiers. Okay, and we have also discussed here the definition and classification of pre-modifiers. Number one, adjective as pre-modifiers, present participle as pre-modifiers, perfect participle as pre-modifiers, noun adjective as pre-modifiers, and last one is the possessive form of pre-modifiers. Inshallah, in my next class, I will elaborately discuss regarding the classifications of modifiers. And after that, we will also practice. Until catch you well. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.